Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most important concepts in web application security: the different types of web application firewalls, or WAFs. If you are working in cybersecurity, cloud, DevOps, networking, or application security, this video is going to give you complete clarity on how different WAF deployment models work, where they are used, and what their advantages and limitations are. So, let's get started. There are mainly three categories of WAFs available in the market today. Number 1, network-based WAFs. Number 2, host-based WAFs. And number 3, cloud-based WAFs. We will go through each one in detail, along with real examples and use cases. The first type is network-based WAFs. These are hardware or virtual appliances deployed directly inside the network infrastructure, usually in the data center. These WAFs offer extremely high performance, very low latency, and deep inspection capability. They are designed to handle large volumes of traffic, sometimes millions of requests per second. The biggest advantage of a network-based WAFs is speed and reliability. These systems are powerful because they are not dependent on application resources like CPU or memory. They work independently. However, the limitation is cost. Network-based WAFs are expensive to purchase, deploy, and maintain. They also require skilled engineers. Examples include F5ASM, Imperva SecureSphere, and Citrix WAFs. The second type is a host-based web application firewall. This web application firewall runs directly inside the application server, either as an agent or a module. The benefit of a host-based web application firewall is customization. Developers can create specific rules, tailor the security engine, and integrate deeply with the application logic. They are also cheaper than network-based appliances. But there are limitations. Host-based web application firewalls use server resources. That means CPU and memory consumption increases, and application performance may slow down. Scaling can also be difficult when demand increases. A very popular host-based web application firewall example is Mod Security, which works with Apache, Nginx, and IIS. The third category is a cloud-based web application firewall, which is currently the most popular type worldwide. Cloud web application firewalls run on the provider's infrastructure. Traffic is routed through the cloud before reaching the server. The biggest advantage of cloud-based web application firewalls is simplicity. There is no hardware installation, no maintenance effort, and no complex upgrades. The vendor manages everything, including rule updates, analytics, and threat intelligence. Cloud web application firewalls are extremely scalable. Traffic can grow from 1 gigabyte to 1 terabyte without any architecture change. However, this type also has challenges. Data travels through third-party infrastructure, which may trigger compliance or privacy concerns. Examples include AWS Web Application Firewall, Azure Web Application Firewall, Cloudflare Web Application Firewall, and Radware Cloud Web Application Firewall. Web application firewalls can also be deployed in different network styles. Reverse Proxy, where all traffic goes through the web application firewall before reaching the server. This provides SSL offloading, caching, load balancing, and logging. Transparent mode, where the web application firewall sits inline without changing server IP or DNS settings. This is easy to deploy and works great for internal apps. Depending on performance, architecture, and compliance needs, companies choose one or a combination of these models.
So how do you choose the right web application firewall? Here is a quick guideline. For small websites, cloud-based web application firewall. For large enterprises, network-based web application firewall for DevOps. Microservices, host-based web application firewall for hybrid environments, combination of cloud plus network. There is no single best web application firewall. The best option depends on your business environment. Today, we learned about the three major types of web application firewalls: network, host, and cloud. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you want more videos in this web application firewall series, let me know in the comments section.